Okay, so today we're going to be going over 3b, which is going to be rate of change. I know rate of change is the same thing as slope, and I know slope is m. So both rate of change means m and slope means m. We use Desmos to find m, okay? And the equation that we put into Desmos is going to be this one right here, but we need to change it first. That's not going to be, Desmos won't accept it, so I need to put a 1 with the y and a 1 with the x, and I need to change that equal sign to a squiggly line. This is going to be what I need to find my m value. So let's go ahead and read the first question. It says, the table shows the linear relationship between the distance in feet below sea level and the time in seconds traveled by the submarine. What is the rate of change of the distance in feet below sea level with respect to the time that the submarine traveled? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. So I know my important word is rate of change. Rate of change. That's going to be my m value. So I'm going to take my table into Desmos. Exactly how I see it. So plus table. And then now I'm going to insert those numbers exactly how I see them. So I have 0, 18, 34, 52, and 70. Now I'll go to the y values. 460, 604, 732, 876. And with this comma, if I put comma, we're going to see what happens. It tells me, hey, there's an error, okay? I cannot write this with a comma. I just delete the comma, and instead I would write it as 1020, no comma, okay? So now I'm going to type in my equation. Y1 squiggly line mx1 plus b. And it gives me all my answers. Right here is what I want. This m equals 8. This m equals 8. So when I put this into Desmos, I got m equals 8. So 8 would be my answer. Okay? 8 would be my final answer. That's it. So let's go ahead and try the second one. It says the altitude of the airplane is changing at a constant rate. The table shows the linear relationship between y, the altitude of the airplane in feet, and x, the time in minutes. I have a table. Complete the statement that describes the rate of change. That's my important word right there, rate of change of the altitude of the airplane with respect to time. Choose the correct answer from the drop-down menu. So, I need rate is my important vocabulary, and that means m. Now, I'm going to try to find m again. So I'm going to clear out my table, delete all. I'm going to do plus table 1.5, 3.25, 6. Now, when it comes to a point, you definitely do point to point. Now, these 25, 500. We're skipping the comma. So no comma here. 25, 500, 20, 25, 12,000. So just no comma. Okay. We're doing no comma. 20250, 12000. Now we're going to type in the equation we're going to want to use. Y1 squiggly line mx1 plus b. And this gives me what I need right here. It says m is equal to negative 3,000. M is equal to negative 3,000. So here what the drop down would have been, here are your options. Increase and decrease. Okay, so if I know this is a negative, I know I would have to choose decrease. So decrease would have to go here. And at a rate of, since I'm using the negative as the decrease, so the negative is my decrease, the number I would put is the 3,000 here. So it'd be decrease at a rate of 3,000 feet per minute. This decrease is my negative. This is taking place for the negative. Negative 3,000. All right. So make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. Goodbye.